Students, now discuss about blood platelets. What about the blood platelets? Blood platelets are also called thrombocytes. Okay. Next, these are only present in mammals. Blood platelets are the thrombocytes present in mammals. Okay. What about the count of the thrombocytes or the blood platelets? Per cubic millimeter of the blood, these are 2,50,000 to 4,50,000 in human beings. Okay, student. Next, blood platelets are contractile and round or oval shaped structure, and non-nucleated cells. Nucleus is absent in these cells, and these are produced from the megakaryocytes, which is present in the bone marrow. These are large sized cells which is called megakaryocytes, which is present in the bone marrow of the human body by the process is called fragmentation. By the process of the fragmentation, these are the blood platelets or the thrombocytes are produced from the large megakaryocytes. Student, lifespan of the blood platelets is 5 to 9 days. Next, these are the blood platelets present in the blood circulation. Blood secretes thromboplastin substance, thromboplastin. Okay, students, this is the thromboplastin helps in clotting of the blood when blood vessel is injured, and this is the thromboplastin is adhere to the injured blood vessel, the edges of the injured blood vessel, and seals that injury of the blood vessel. Okay, next, students, it is the thromboplastin at the time of the blood clotting of the blood. Thromboplastin is adhere to the endothelial lining of the blood capillaries. Student, blood capillaries, that is made up with the single layer blood capillary. Student, blood capillary, that is the wall of the blood capillary made with the single layer, that is called endothelium. Okay, it is the thromboplastin tissue adhere to the attaches to the endothelial lining of the blood capillary and seals. Next, student, what about lymph? Lymph is the another one of the tissue, that is one of the tissue, fluid tissue in total amount of the fluid connective tissue. Fluid connective tissue available in two forms. One is the blood, second one is the lymph. Now, what about the lymph? What about the formation of the lymph? What is the content present in the, what is the composition or the content in the present in the lymph? Okay, student, in this first one, it is the colorless fluid without the RBC. It is the lymph is the colorless fluid, and it lacks the RBC. RBC is red blood cells is absent in the lymph. Next, it consists leukocytes, white blood cells are present in the lymph. Next, plasma includes with plasma, and lymphocytes, more number of the lymphocytes present in the lymph, and also with the small amount of the nutrients, oxygen, much amount of the carbon dioxide and other metabolites, okay, present in the lymph. A student, lymph formation site is interstitial space. Lymph formation, lymph is formed at the region called interstitial space. Interstitial space means the space between the tissue, the space between the cells. Okay, student, it is the one of the cell. It is the, if you observe, this one is the diagram. Okay, it is the one of the cell in the tissue. It is the totally tissue region in the body. It is the one of the cell. It is the another 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 cell. The region between the cells. the region between the cells. Student, the region between the cell is called interstitial space. Okay, and lymph is formed at this region. Lymph is formed at this region. Okay, lymph formation site is interstitial space. Next, student, portion of the blood, some amount of the portion present in the blood. Okay, portion of the blood, mainly water, solutes and small amount of the proteins. Large proteins are absent in the lymph. Small proteins or smaller proteins are present in the lymph. Portion of the blood which is passes through the blood capillaries and the blood vessels. In that blood, water, solutes and the proteins entered into the interstitial space due to hydrostatic pressure at the arteriolar ends. Student, that is called interstitial fluid. Student, blood is passes through the blood vessel, that is called artery. The blood is supplied towards the tissue region, towards the cellular part of the body by the help of the arteries. Student, it is the branch of the artery, fine branch of the artery, that is called arteriole. This is the arteriole is available, also divides into many branches called blood capillaries. Okay, this is the arteriole and the blood capillary supplies the blood. Okay, supplies the blood. Okay, in this some amount of the water, solutes, proteins present in the blood that passes through the blood capillary at the tissue region in the body. Due to the hydrostatic pressure at the arteriolar end. Student, it is the arteriole. It is the last part of the arteriole or the blood capillary. Okay, due to the hydrostatic pressure at the end of the arteriole, some portion of the blood such as water, solutes, proteins entered into the space between the cells. Entered into the space. Amount of the fluid present in the blood is entered into the outer part of the cell. Student, that is the fluid once entered into the space between the cells, that is called interstitial fluid. That is, the fluid is called interstitial fluid. Okay, student. Next, another one. Most fluid return to blood by venular ends due to the osmotic pressure. Student, amount of the fluid present in the interstitial space. Okay, that is, the fluid is called interstitial fluid. Okay, student. The amount of the fluid, another most amount of the fluid which is present in the interstitial space, interstitial fluid, and again return into the blood, that is passes through the venules and veins. Student, it is the vein entered into the tissue region in the form of the venule, and it is the venular end. Student, interstitial fluid again entered into the blood, that is passes through the venular end. Interstitial fluid enters into the blood capillary of the vein. Okay, through its walls. Most amount of the interstitial fluid returns into the blood, that is passes through the lumen of the venular ends and the venules. Interstitial fluid comes outside and entered into the interstitial space through the blood capillaries of the arteries, and this is the interstitial fluid return into the blood capillaries of the venule or venular ends by the help of the osmotic pressure. Okay, student, osmotic pressure means it is the pressure to stop the osmosis. that is called osmotic pressure. Okay, student, and some amount of the fluid is retained in this part, available in the form of the interstitial fluid. Okay, after that is returned into the blood of the venular ends. Student, small amount of the fluid passes through the lymph capillaries. Student, small portion of the interstitial fluid entered into the lymph capillaries. Okay, lymph capillaries combines to form the lymphatic vessels. Lymph vessels combines to form the lymphatic ducts. Okay, once the lymphatic fluid entered into once the intestinal fluid present between the cells entered into the lymph capillaries, that is the fluid is termed with the lymph. Okay, student, extracellular fluid, interstitial fluid is also called extracellular fluid. The fluid present outside of the cells, the fluid between the cells. Extracellular tissue fluid enters into the lymph capillaries, that is called lymph. Okay, student, this is the lymph is passes through the lymph capillaries, combines open into the lymphatic vessels. Lymphatic vessels opens into the lymphatic ducts. Okay, finally, that is the lymph is drained into the blood by the subclavian veins, large blood vessels that came from the neck region. These are called subclavian veins. Okay, the amount of the lymph that passes through the lymphatic duct is finally into the combines with the blood by the help of the subclavian veins. Okay, by this way lymph is comes out from the blood and finally it is added with the blood. It is about the lymph that is passes through the, that is circulate through the lymphatic system in the body. Okay, lymphatic system that consists of lymph capillaries, lymph vessels, lymph ducts, and another lymphoid organs is also present in the body.